Okay, see this question now. A man bought a TV at a discount of 10% with 13% VAT. If he paid rupees 2983.50 as VAT, find the label price. अब यो क्वेशन बुझौँ के भन्दैछ यसमा a man bought a TV at 10% discount भनेको डिस्काउन्ट रेट हामीले कति दिएको छ 10% with 13% VAT means the VAT percent is given 13%. If he paid rupees 2983.50 as VAT भनेको यो जुन अमाउन्ट दिएको छ के को हो यो VAT amount. So we say the VAT amount is rupees 2983.50. Determine the labeled price. अब labeled price भनेको के हो labeled भनेको जुन TV मा लेबल मा लाग्या हुन्छ that means the mark price of the television. So we say the mark price equals to what? अब यस्तो क्वेशन सल्भ गर्दा कुन फर्मेट हामी फलो गर्छौं just see here first MP त्यसमा हामी लेस गर्छौं डिस्काउन्ट we get SP without VAT त्यसमा हामी एड गर्छौं VAT we get SP with VAT. So starting with this format MP हामीले दिएको छैन so we say let the MP be X. Second step calculate the discount. Discount is discount percent of MP. Discount percent हामीले दिएको छ 10%. MP हामीले assume गर्यौं X. So we say discount is equals to 10% of X. We get 0.1X. Next step SP without VAT means the MP minus discount. So we say SP without VAT is equals to MP minus discount. MP हामीले assume गर्यौं X. Discount we calculated 0.1X. So replacing the values we get the SP without VAT is 0.9X. Next step we go for the VAT. Now VAT के मा लाग्छ SP without VAT मा. So we say VAT amount is equals to VAT percent of SP without VAT. That is 13% of 0.9X. How much we get 0.117X. अब यो क्वेशनमा हेर्नुस् के गिवन छ VAT amount. So यो 0.11X के को बराबर छ 2983.50. So we say now VAT amount given is 2983.50. हामीले निकाल्यौ 0.117X. So we can say 0.117X is equals to 2983.50. Calculate गर्दा X को भ्यालु कति आउँछ 25,500. X के छ यहाँ mark price. What is asked in the question? Label price or mark price. So we say the label price or mark price of the TV is rupees 25,500.